How to stream on Kick OBS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can stream on Kick using OBS Studio, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to stream on Kick using OBS Studio, first of all go to kick.com, click your profile icon from the top right and simply go to settings. Once you go to settings, under settings right here you can say stream key. So go to stream key and here you can see your stream URL and your stream key. Now keeping this in mind, you make sure you have OBS Studio downloaded already. Once you make sure you have OBS Studio, just simply go to settings of OBS Studio here. Once you go to settings, here you can say stream. Now in the service tab, now because you can see we do not have Kick over here right now, right? Now if you do have Kick, then you can select that, but we do not have Kick. So we will select custom in here. So once you select custom here, you can say server and stream key. Now the server and stream key that we copied earlier, which is the server URL, which is this one here, come to OBS Studio and then paste that server URL. Now here you have the stream key, come back to Kick and then just copy the stream key here, come back to OBS Studio and paste the stream key, and then just go ahead. If you want to use authentication, that's perfectly fine, click on apply, and after that the service will get connected and you can start your stream. This way you can basically go ahead and then stream on Kick using OBS. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.